In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background in Jitter video. Whether you're creating engaging content or simply trying to spice up your existing projects, having the right background can make all the difference. So let's dive right into it. To start, make sure you're on the Jitter platform. If you haven't yet, head over to the Drafts section in Jitter. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to create a new file. Click on that, and this will open up a new blank canvas for you. This blank space is your playground. It's where you'll be setting up your background. Now that you have your canvas ready, there are two main ways you can change the background. The first method is straightforward. In the toolbar, you'll see options for fill colors. Simply select one of these colors to set it as your background. This method is excellent if you have a specific tone or theme in mind and want a simple, solid color. It's quick, efficient, and can look incredibly polished with the right choice of color. The second option gives you a little more creative control and pizzazz. You can add an image as your background. This is perfect if you want to incorporate textures, patterns, or any kind of imagery that enhances your video's narrative or aesthetic. To do this, navigate to where your files are stored and select the image you wish to use as your background. It's as easy as dragging and dropping or clicking to upload. After you've added your image, it may not fit perfectly onto your canvas. That's okay though. You can easily resize your picture to ensure it aligns perfectly with the parameters of your canvas. Simply click on the image and adjust it according to your needs. It's useful to remember not to distort the image. A handy tip here is to hold down the Shift key while resizing. That way you maintain the aspect ratio of your image, keeping it looking crisp and professional. And there you have it, you've successfully added a background to your Jitter video. Remember, experimenting with different colors and images can really elevate the visual appeal of your video, so don't be afraid to try different combinations until you find one that truly complements your content. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made the process of adding a background to your Jitter video clear and enjoyable. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips, and happy creating!